Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Philips Air Fryer 2000 series with a 4.2 liters capacity and maximum 200 degrees Celsius adjustable. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. And as usual, we have the manuals. The power cord length, it is 1 meter. Storage for the power cord, here at the back. The back air vent, on a black color. Here we have the display with the touch buttons. And the basket, pull to remove the frying insert, silicone rubber at the 4 corners. I like the shape inside. Just love the shape. Max capacity here. Very easy to install. Sensors, and here, so it will know when you will remove the basket to switch off. Inside we have the heating element with a fan, is spinning. Metal around. Rabbit Air Technology, it says here. Ventilation in here at the top. Silicone pads at the bottom. It will stay very secure at any surface, at your countertop. On-off switch, you can turn it on. We have a touch display. Here you can choose one of the 8 programs, or if you want you can set manual your air fryer. Adjusting the temperature, press and hold, it will go faster. From 60 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. Or you can adjust the time from 1 minute to 60 minutes, and press the button to start the air fryer, 200 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. And all the time you can check the minute and the temperature. Countdown, and if you remove the basket, it will stop and resume again from the same time. Pause, resume. Off again, on. You can even choose the keep warm button, on or off, when you are using the air fryer. The button for the temperature, the timer again, adjusting whenever you want, and just press the on-off button. Or if you want, you can choose one of these programs, starting with the frozen fries. By default it is 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Max capacity 500 grams. Homemade fries, and again 180 degrees Celsius for 33 minutes, maximum 500 grams. Meat chops, only 2 pieces, 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Drumsticks, 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Only 6 pieces. Breakfast, 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. 3 eggs, 2 toasts. I like the touch display. Muffins, 160 degrees Celsius for 17 minutes. Veggie, 20 minutes for 180 degrees Celsius, only 500 grams for veggie. And then we have the fish fillet, 200 degrees Celsius for 23 minutes, 3 pieces. You can set on the keep warm function and then just start. It is very easy to use. Pause. And of course, for each program, you can make adjustments. You can see the fish, change the time. Very easy. Press the temperature button, adjust, next the timer, adjust, and start. For the muffin. Very good response by the touch. And at the display and at the buttons. I like it. Frozen fries. 500 grams. (180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Let's remove the basket and shake a little bit. And done. Nice and crispy. Just love it. Well done. Now next I have this chicken, but I'm not sure it will fit both inside. A little bit difficult. Well, only one. Let's try. You never know. Okay. That is good. Both are inside. Perfect. And now I will use the chicken, 180 degrees Celsius for 21 minutes. And after a few minutes I will check the cooking process. Now let's check after 10 minutes. Nice. Resume again. And just to remind you, if you want, just press the time and you can increase the time or decrease. Same, and for the temperature. (185 degrees Celsius for 11 minutes now. Okay, perfect. Oh, that is very crispy. Now let's take a look. The knife. Oh, well done. I like it. Maybe a little bit more, another 5 minutes. I think it's okay. Yep. Seeing this basket so dirty, you think it is very hard to clean. Let's see that. Just love the save again. So it didn't take no more than 1 minute. Everything is clean and ready to use. neck steaks. You can fit only 2 maximum. Now let's set that on manual, 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And I will check later the cooking process. Nice! Now are smaller. What I like most is how simple it is to use, the fast cooking times and the consistent results it delivers for a wide range of foods. And done! Beautiful! And definitely I need to clean again that. Every time you are cooking, clean the basket. Very juicy. Love the color. And the last is boiled eggs. Temperature 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And already all the eggs are in a good condition. If you are trying to eat healthier but you don't want to give up the perfect golden brown crunch on your favorite foods, this machine is an absolute winner. The Rabbit Air technology cooks incredibly fast, meaning you get a dinner on the table in a fraction of the time a traditional oven will take. It's a total game changer for everyday cooking convenience. If this video helped you decide whether the Philips 2000 series air fryer is right for your kitchen, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews, cooking gadgets and home product tests. Thanks for watching, enjoy your cooking, enjoy your meals and I'll see you in the next one.